Okay, let's work some more on the 3-meter giant wing. So I'm printing something right there. That's the fine print. This is the raw print. This is you. So you are exactly this size. So I just copied the camera I'm holding right now. And this is the wing profile we got in the basement. And this will be the holder for the camera. So actually we can... I don't know if you can see this corner. Actually, let me try. So yeah, if you saw this corner, I probably have to cut it. If you didn't see it, the better. And you will sit in there. And then we put a tie around it. Like this. And I made this model hollow, so I can fill it with maybe lead shot or something, I don't know. Just so I always have the same CG, because the wing will be giant and it has to be perfect. So yeah, let's go in the basement and make the new templates for the side profile. So let's get some more hardwood flooring. That's some stuff I still had in the basement. Actually, this piece should be good enough. In the corner is the giant RC car and the tires for the drift trike. Actually, if I believe my YouTube statistics, 70 or 80% of you are not subscribed to my channel, so you have no idea what this is. This is a giant RC car, big enough for me to ride in. Actually, look at this. And these are the tires from the drift car. Look at this. So yeah, so much for that. Let's get some hardwood flooring. And let's see if this is actually enough. That's perfect. So we cut it and then put both on there. So yeah, first step, we cut it. There's literally no need to be precise for this. So, oh yeah, hardwood. Okay, that's good enough. Roughly line it up. Put the template on top of it. Actually, I should. Fine. And just put a hole in it. That's one hole. An envelope with new spare screws. Put one through there. And put there. There you go. And we line up the back side around here. Screw in the screws. Make it nice and flat. And now we just saw out the template. And that's a huge problem. I don't have a bandsaw and I don't have a belt sander. I think a belt sander is the word. So I have to do it with the, what's it called? A jigsaw? No, in Germany it's a Stichsäge. So yeah, I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna use it in not the correct way. I will hold it this way and just cut it and be careful with my fingers. But that's the only option I see right now. Don't look at this. Something else what I want to test. some helpful guys in the subreddit said, hey, you can totally glue this with some normal wood glue. So that's what I'm gonna test. Just smear it on there. Smear some on there. And tomorrow I will know if this is any good at all. If it is, I might even use this to... I need something heavy. I got so much shit lying around and I don't get anything heavy. Did it just wander away? No, it didn't. So, heavy enough? I hope so. Wait, actually I got something heavy. Something heavy. I'm pretty sure that's not the easiest or the safest method. And now we just sand it down to the desired shape. And yeah, I know it's not the safest way to do this, but I don't mind at all. Unless one of you is sponsoring me a table saw, I don't care what you say. It works. You have to make these really smooth for the simple reason the wire will glide on them, and if you make this rough, it will jump and you will see every little jump on the final model. I don't know if you guys can see, but now for the hard part. I have to transfer these numbers exactly to the smaller scale. And that's not easy. It's painful to do. I have to calculate the distance and divide by the steps. It's really annoying. For the next thing, I'm going to build in a scale into the print part, just so I can scale this up and down and the scale scales with it. Really annoying. But yeah, let's make 2 of them. That's taken care of. So next step is to get my wife and use 2 of these templates to make one swept wing, pretty much like this. Actually, I can totally make a short one like this just for fun. But nah, let's get 2 of them, about 1 meter, 22 centimeters apart, and then we have to cut them. Also, I just noticed I actually need only 1 of them, but now I have 2, so I'm probably gonna make a wing out of these at some point. So yeah, that's it for now. Let's wait for the print, then I show you the print, and I think tomorrow I can cut this stuff with my wife. Okay, print is ready. Actually, damn, that's nice. Yeah. Wait, let me pull it off the plate. It could be a little bit better. Where's the strap there? Some slight lines, but this is more than stable. Let's switch places. So then you are now in the little mound. Pretty much this part again. Let's yeah, this is way better than the original print. Nice. Okay, that's it for today. All these parts, the fake Osmo, the mount for this wing profile, will all be in the description of a separate video. I will make a video with parts list and everything. But yeah, that's it for now. Of course, if you want to stay up to date for this project, please subscribe. They're like 70 or 80%. Actually, I can show you right here, up there. This many people didn't subscribe, so let's see. See you next build vlog.